Good evening, everybody. Hope everyone's doing well today. It is Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday. Feels like a Friday, but it's a Tuesday. Um, yeah, some great contrails today, so we'll see what we can get. Just got out here with the camera. I haven't even looked at flight radar yet, so I have no idea what airline this is, what type of airplane it is. I will find out here in a little bit. Okay, found out it is a UPS 767. Can't focus. There we go. And it is going to Long Beach, California from Louisville. Really nice contrails today, though. The camera's not doing it justice. See, look at all those. Here we go. We have a United A321neo going from Orlando to Denver. It's the underbelly of that United A321neo. Very nice. Is the focus cooperating? Not anymore. There we go. So I can't take credit for finding this one. My son found this one. It's actually a 777 cargo Kalitta Air going from Anchorage to DFW. Very nice. I'm gonna let go of this one because there's a prop plane flying over too. I want to try and get that. So that 777 behind the tree there is making a turn. Not sure if we'll get it again behind Bush Camp. And we have a Southwest. It's got the winglets on it. So it's either going to be a Max 8 or a retrofitted 800. Really frustrated. We just had a Cessna 182 fly over and the focus would not cooperate. Guess it's used to get an aircraft that's up in the flight levels. X marks the spot. Having to do a voiceover because the kids were having fun and being rowdy in the background. This is a CRJ 700 from Wichita to Denver. This is a Prime Air A330 from Cincinnati to San Bernardino. Let's look at it a little closer. There it is. I'm not sure what it is about this livery, but I really like it. It does not make me feel blue at all. Anyway, on to the next one. We can't go to the next one just yet. This is too pretty to look at. I mean, come on, look at it. Nice. All right, let's move on to this E175 operated by United, going from Savannah, Georgia to Denver. It's quite a long trek, actually, for an E175. It's an American A321. Hold on, let me look up where this is coming from and going to. The American A321 there is going from San Francisco to Charlotte. I bet Sal from Cali Plains caught that takeoff earlier. Very nice. So this is a special Delta 767. It's going from San Diego, I think, or Santa Ana, one of the two, to JFK. But it's the breast cancer awareness livery. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it on the image or not. Alright, found a Delta A319. That is going from Atlanta to Colorado Springs. But that's not even the one that we're going to end on, because I'm more excited about this one over here. And I really hope we can get it, because it will be for our good friend Sandra. I think she knows what's coming. We have a Southwest. It's coming from, well, no, let me tell you where it's going to first. It's going to Phoenix. And it's coming from Pee-wee. Gonna be on her list forever. Worth it. Alright. We'll go ahead and end on the Bee-wee. How many times can I say Bee-wee before ending this video? This bee is gonna go wee. Alright, thanks everybody. Bye bye.